Hello everyone, welcome to Yummy Recipes and Vlogs. In our channel, we have posted many food videos, festival videos, arts, crafts, etc. Today, we have a special video and this is the first of its kind and it's the unboxing of a product. It is my first video on unboxing and hence, if there are any mistakes, please forgive them with all your love. I had booked this product from Amazon and here it is. The product is well packed and was delivered super fast in just one day. Thanks to Amazon. Before starting to unbox the package, as you all know, we are in a pandemic situation and hence I have to take some safety precautions. First, I'll wear the plastic gloves to both of my hands. Next, I use the surface disinfectant spray and spray on the package to kill any germs or viruses on it. As I try to open the package, let me give you an overview of the product that I have chosen to unbox in this video. During this pandemic situation, we are taking many precautions to be safe and healthy. One of the best remedy is to intake the steam, which helps in killing the virus. This is an old traditional technique and is found to be very effective and helpful. There are many ways in which we can have the steam. The simplest one being boiling water in a vessel. Once the water starts boiling, bring it down and intake the steam. This process usually takes time and we need to be careful of the boiling water in the vessel. This method is not so portable as we cannot carry this everywhere. Another simple way is to have a steamer, which would give a similar steam but in very less time. Also, it would be easy to carry around. To use it, just plug it in, add some water and voila, you have the steam. This makes the steamer very important in every household. The product I've chosen to unbox is the steamer. In this pandemic situation, a steamer is simple, fast, portable, etc. During my basic research, found many brands that make the steamer, and in particular, I found this brand Health Sense. This brand has released a product called NanoCure. It's a facial iconic steamer, and the model number is FS550. This model of the steamer is appealing and very nice in design. So I started going in deep and found that they have built a very good product with many good features. As you can see, there's a very good information on the box. The side box explains about the usage instructions. It's quite simple and easy to use. Moving on to the next side, it has the model name and the picture. Moving on to the next slide, they have listed so many features of this product. I would like to highlight few of them like Superfan Nano Iconic Mist, Fast Mist, Portable Design, Steaming Temperature up to 40 degrees Celsius, Waterless Auto Off and many more. The MRP on this product is Rs 2400 and on Amazon we got it for Rs 1999. I have shared the link of this product in the description. Now let's open the box. These are the documents you first see. This is the ready FAQs and it's nice and explained well. This is the warranty card. This product has 1 year warranty. Sounds good, right? This is the user manual for a detailed instructions about the product. Let's continue to open the box. This is the Aroma diffuser and the 10 cotton pads. Here comes the steamer. That's all in the box. In the box, we get the steamer, the Aroma diffuser and the 10 cotton pads, user manual, warranty card and the ready FAQs. Next, let's take the steamer out of the cover. The steamer looks elegant and classy. The design is superb, right? Let me show you a 360-degree view of the product. Looks really trendy. The flower-based nozzle looks interesting and good. Next, let's see the product in detail. The back side is the water tank. So let's detach the water tank and check it out. The water tank capacity is 100 ml. This is the water tank and the cap. It's quite simple and easy to detach and use it. This is the Aroma diffuser and they provide 10 cotton pads with it. This Aroma diffuser is quite simple and easy to use. Just place it on the flower based nozzle and it fits perfectly. Just place the cotton pad into the Aroma diffuser as shown and yep, it's ready to use. It's so simple and easy. Gives a nice look. You can use the steamer with or without the diffuser. This is the ready FAQs. It's neatly printed, answered in detail with pictures. This document has 6 questions and 6 answers. These are the commonly asked questions. This is the warranty card and they give a 1-year warranty for the product. And here is the QR codes. The first one is for product registration and the second one is to file a complaint. It also has information on the privileges for the customer and this is the company website. This is the user manual and it has a lot of information on how to use the product, how to clean it and many more. Now let's start using the product. For the steamer, we should always use drinking water only. Let's detach the water tank and fill it up with water. To open the water tank, just rotate the knob and here it comes. Since we are using this for the first time, let's clean the water tank with the water. Once you fill it, close the cap, give a nice shake so that all the dust comes out and then throw away this water. You can repeat this process whenever you want to clean the water tank. Now let's fill it up with the water again, a full tank. Close the cap firmly and then let's fix this back onto the steamer. Not sure if you noticed, it fits so well smooth. Let me show you again. The water tank should be placed properly and you will hear a click sound once it's fixed well. Now let's check the length of the wire. It's pretty decent and long enough. Now finally, let's see the demo. Let me plug in the wire into the socket and switch it on. You need to wait for 10 to 15 seconds for the steamer to push out the steam. My daughter volunteered to be the first person to experience the steam and she started enjoying it. The steamer should be always plugged to the power supply to push the steam out. As you can see, the steamer gives a steady jet of steam. The steam that comes out is not too hot, so kids can try this too. Next, we also checked if any part of the steamer gets hot when it is in use. As you can see, I'm lifting it and the handle is not hot at all. So now you can safely use the handle to turn the steamer in any direction you need. Indeed, it's a very good design. The steam coming out of the steamer is not too hot, so you can relax and enjoy a good face steam bath. You can also warm your hands, face, ears, etc. Next, let's check the aroma diffuser. For this, I am using eucalyptus oil. Let me spread it on the cotton pad all around it and then place it in the diffuser. Next, let's place this diffuser on the steamer as shown. You can use any medicinal oil, but be cautious. My father is a big fan of eucalyptus, and as you can see, he is enjoying the aroma filled steam. Also, you can notice the steam is narrowed due to the aroma diffuser. So with the diffuser, you get a focused jet of steam as shown. Even my mom tried it and she also liked it. To summarize, I feel this is a very good product. It has a trendy design, simple and easy to use, and is very effective. The aroma diffuser is an added advantage. On full water tank, the steamer gives out steam for around 15 minutes, which is really good. This product has a 1-year warranty, and for any issues, you can contact them for support. So I feel this is a value for money product. This product can be used by elders, adults and kids 7 years and above. To conclude, I feel this product is worth the buy. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please hit the thumbs up button and share it. Please do write your thoughts in the comment section and help us improve. Last but not the least, subscribe to our channel for many such interesting and helpful videos. Catch you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.